I'm Andrew from DaTo. In here, I present to you the new DaTo vacuum cleaner machine. As you can see it has a good frame, sleek body. It has two locks on it. You can open and then lock. It has gotten a 5-meter wire on it. And it's flexible. You can rotate it in any position you want. It has gotten 2 function buttons on it. The on and you can off it, right? Then we can open up the machine just like this. So this is how it looks like inside. So it has an oval shape bucket like where dust and dirt goes inside it. Here we have gotten the shape, bucket shape circle where dirt and dust goes inside, stored inside when you suck dust from the car. So we have gotten also the pipe. This pipe has connectors on it. This pipe and this connector, you rotate anti-clockwise to lock it. So just like this. After you can check it's tight. So here you'll be capable of putting it inside and it will lock automatic. So we have gotten another connector. You fix it here. You do the same thing, just like this. You test it. It is firmly connected. And then you connect the last connector, just like that, simple. So it will look like this. We have also this connector. This one is used for cleaning the seats in the car and the rooftop, the roof inside the car, interior, the rooftop. So you can switch the connectors. You can remove this and you put this, just like that, simple, right? You can put this back, just like this. So after cleaning inside, because we have cleaned the car and we have gotten some dust inside the vacuum. So after cleaning it, you put this back, just like that. After it is positioned well, you put on the lockers. You lock it up, just like that. So it will be flexible. So if you're done with cleaning, you can remove this. You press this button down. You press it down and then remove the pipe. So this is how it looks like. I'll do some rotation. So I'll do the connection. I'll connect it and on it. Right, then press the button.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,